Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there are multiple new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy A34 that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we will check them out and also we'll talk about the One UI 7 update. So to check out the update, you will have to go into your settings. From there, you have to tap on About Phone. Now you have to tap on Software Information. After tapping on Software Information, you will have to tap on Google Play System Update. And from here you will get to see that a new update will be available or the update might be already downloaded. You will have to simply restart to update your device. So simply tap on restart now to update your device and your device will be updated on the latest Google Play System update. As you can see, your device is now restarting and the update is installing. And if you will check for the new updates, you will get to see that a new March update will be also available. So this March update is of 67 MB in size with the latest security update from the Google and to keep your device safe and improve the device stability. You will have to first of all download by simply tapping on download and install, and this update will download. Until the update is downloading, let's talk about the One UI 7 update. So the One UI 7 update is now finally official and it will be released in the month of April on April 7th. Also from the Samsung Singapore, we have a device list in which we have the S series, Z series and the Tab series. But there is no official announcement of the A series yet, but it will be released soon for the A series as well once it is released for the flagship models. So no need to worry that your A34 is not in the device list yet, but it will come in the device list in the future. As the A34 also got the One UI 6 update, so it will also get the One UI 7 update. So the update was downloaded and I have now restarted my device to complete the installation process. But make sure to install this update when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during this installation process. And as you can see, the device is now on the latest version and your device is now up to date. And that's all for today's video. This was the new update available for the Samsung Galaxy A34 and some of the news regarding the One UI 7 update. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, and do let me in the comment section that have you got this update or not yet.